These because of the Shaktipat that's given by Muktananda in 1970s. I'm talking about Swami Muktananda. He spent his time in South America and various other countries. He used to give Shaktipat to so many people, and all of them used to have this kind of kriyas happening in them in 1970s, not now. So it's not actually some rocket science. It's been happening for ages and ages together. And if you go to villages in India, you would find even in 1800s, 1700s, 1600s and all these Kundalini phenomenon happening in them. But that's only initial. Because of the Shakti that comes, the initial Spanda Kriyas happen. And once these people get out of the meditative state, they will again slip into the regular problems of life, their downfalls, all their ingredients dancing around. So for that, there has to be a path taken up. So any guru who practices Kundalini, classic Kundalini Kriya Yoga, and he would be able to give this Shakti path to the people. So, and once they receive the Shakti, these involuntary Kriyas, the initial level of, because just by touching the Kundalini, the Spanda Kriya Yoga, the Spanda Kriyas, just by touching the Kundalini, the Spanda Kriyas, the very initial levels of Kriyas will start in them. Some man from this place who got initiation into these kriyas, Spanda kriyas. I think he is from the US. He said he wanted to know more knowledge about this, and he said he would take me up as guru. I said, okay, if you want to know, you can stay here as long as you want, but you cannot stay here for a quite long time because I know you will leave, I said. And then immediately he was asking me to show my siddhis and all. Siddhis means the powers and all, to showcase him. He thought it's a business. It's a business of showcasing some rocket science to people. And that is his trait basically, what we can do. And he is talking about liberation, he wants to get liberated and all these things. If he has such traits, those are very, 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 very cheap, low level traits. And with those traits, he thinks he can get liberated. So he should ask himself first. So he, spins for like this. He spins, he does so many crazy things of moving body parts. He does without any break. He will do for 30 minutes, 40 minutes and all. What's the point? And he's been doing all these things for 5-6 years. What's the point? Where did he evolve? With all this rotation for about 6 years, he evolved to a level where he would ask the guru, the more respectable guru, to showcase the powers of him, siddhis. That's his level. So that's what happens. Just because of spanda kriyas that happen for hours and hours together, or for years and years together, no evolution will happen. You will just remain there. On top of these things, you will buy so many problems in life. Because the kundalini gets stuck there, you keep on rotating, you keep on basically kindling it. So it will keep on generating, it will keep on throwing the traits out, and those traits will come out to the real world, and you will start facing so many problems, financial problems, relationship problems, sickness, psychologically disturbed. This man looks like psychologically disturbed actually. The very first day I told him, looks like you are very psychologically disturbed. So because of these spanda kriyas, such disturbances will happen. So these spanda kriyas need to advance. There is a path for it. The evolution needs to happen. Then only that is the path of Aumism. When it's taken up, you will evolve. And in the evolution, you will not only advance spiritually, but materialistically all the problems would also resolve.
Nagi Bodu She